Yesterday, myself and 2 other creators that I know got the same email, and it is a scam. I'm going to show you what it looks like so that you can see what the red flags are and make sure that you avoid emails like this. So the first red flag here is that it's from Meta, but it's a Gmail email address. Guys, if Instagram, Meta, Facebook, whatever was ever going to email you, it would be from their website.com, not Gmail. Also, if there ever was any situation where Meta was reaching out to you for an investigation, they would never want you to reply, "I request a review," to their email. What if you never get the email? Then what's their excuse to just delete your account? Like, it doesn't work like that. That's a scam. Also, the entire premise of this email is that you're impersonating a celebrity, but then they literally give you 48 hours to make up for it. No, again, if you were doing something wrong on Instagram and they wanted to delete your account, they would just delete it. If you are ever worried about getting your Instagram hacked and getting scammed like this, they actually do have Instagram insurance. It's a company called Notch. I pay probably around $100 a year, and what they do is they'll give me a stipend daily, depending on how much I decided to pay in the insurance, and then they also will work to get my account back. So you get the support and you get money, because if this is your livelihood, if your account gets hacked, you're not making money. You can get a free estimate to see how much it would cost you for insurance, and I leave the link right in my profile.